Hello friends, artist Resin Sudha here. Hope you all are doing well. So what will I make today with these amazing shining diamond stones? These are jewelry cut colorful diamond that I had idiotically bought in larger quantities to make something truly beautiful. But the irony is that my crafting time is getting shorter day by day, so how could I use these fully without wasting even a single piece? So I came up with this amazing idea of making shiny jars with these. So let's start making resin and diamond jars. First, I will fill up the mold with these amazing diamonds. I will try to fill up the mold maximum with diamonds so I can see diamonds on all sides, including the bottom. So add more and more and more. As I have a single mold only, so I will make one jar at a time. I have mixed 120 grams of resin and hardener, of which 80 grams is resin and 40 grams is hardener, as the resin is 2:1 resin. Oops, it took all the diamonds in. Yeah, no wastage. Now I will mix few drops of resin ink wine red in it and keep it aside. Once done, I will pour the resin in the mold, and this quantity is perfect. Now I will leave it for curing for 24 hours. This is the next day. I will demold it now and see how it looks. Wow, I love it. So shiny, despite pouring the diamonds randomly, even if its backside silver shows. But resin inks have made it so pretty. Let's make one more jar the same way. I will add the diamonds in the mold and same quantity of resin to be poured in the mold. For this one, I will add turquoise ink to the resin. These diamonds also utilized fully. Let's pour the resin in the mold. Now I will leave it for curing. Next day, let's demold it. Oh, my mold got ruined. Actually, I had used the mold quite a few times. It's gone, but look at this, how beautiful it is. I'm so happy to see both the jars looking so amazing. After this, I selected some holographic stickers to make these jars even more beautiful. Let's stick these to the jars. And we are done. So tell me, do you like these? I love how the holographic stickers look so beautiful on these jars. So, if you liked today's creations, tell me in the comments your opinions. Please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. Time to go now. Have a great day everyone. Bye.